The Book of Obadiah is a prophetic work found in the Hebrew Bible and the Christian Old Testament. It is the shortest book in the Old Testament, consisting of only one chapter. The book is attributed to the prophet Obadiah, but little is known about him. The prophecy primarily focuses on the nation of Edom and its impending judgment due to its pride, violence, and mistreatment of Israel. Summary of Obadiah. 1. Edom's pride and betrayal. The prophecy begins with a declaration of God's judgment against Edom, a neighboring nation of Israel, and the descendants of Esau. Edom is accused of arrogance and pride, boasting in its mountain strongholds, and trusting in its own wisdom and strength. 2. Edom's violence against Israel. Obadiah recounts Edom's history of violence and hostility towards Israel. When Jerusalem was under attack, Edom not only stood by and did nothing to help, but it also rejoiced over Israel's destruction and looted its possessions. 3. The Day of the Lord. Like other prophetic books, Obadiah introduces the concept of the Day of the Lord, a day of divine judgment and reckoning. On this day, God will repay nations for their actions, including Edom, for its violence against Israel. 4. Edom's destruction. The prophecy foretells the destruction of Edom and the eradication of its people. Edom's pride and violence have incurred God's wrath, and they will be brought low and face the consequences of their actions. 5. Israel's restoration. In contrast to Edom's fate, Obadiah promises that Israel will experience restoration and victory. God will bring deliverance to Zion, and his kingdom will prevail over all. Conclusion. The Book of Obadiah serves as a powerful prophetic warning against pride, violence, and mistreatment of others. It focuses on the judgment that awaits Edom due to its sinful actions and lack of compassion toward Israel. The prophecy emphasizes God's justice and sovereignty over the nations, as well as his faithfulness to his covenant with Israel. While the book contains strong messages of judgment, it also offers a message of hope for Israel's restoration and victory. The Book of Obadiah remains a timeless reminder of the consequences of pride and violence, as well as God's commitment to justice and the ultimate triumph of his kingdom.